Have you ever tried taro, also known as Colocasia, or ever wondered about its benefits? This incredible plant, native to Southeast Asia and southern India, is a powerhouse of nutrition and versatility. It's a staple in many global cuisines, from the starchy root used in Polynesian poi to the leafy greens in Indian curries. Taro's unique nutty flavor and creamy texture make it a delightful ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes. Well, stick around as we delve into the delicious benefits of this amazing plant. Dive into the nutritional powerhouse that is taro. This intriguing root vegetable is not just delicious, but it's packed to the brim with healthful nutrients. Let's take a closer look. First off, taro is an outstanding source of dietary fiber. Eating foods rich in fiber like taro can help keep your digestive system running smoothly, helping you feel fuller for longer and supporting overall gut health. But that's not all. Taro also has a low glycemic index, which means it's excellent for blood sugar control. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Taro is a veritable treasure trove of these essential nutrients. It's particularly rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, B vitamins, and important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. With such a rich nutritional profile, it's no wonder taro is a staple in many diets around the world. But how does this translate into health benefits, you might wonder? Well, let's unravel the magic of taro. The high fiber content in taro promotes healthy digestion, helping prevent constipation and bloating. It's like a mini detox for your gut. Then there's the heart-healthy angle. Taro is rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure. It's like a natural pacemaker for your ticker. Don't forget about vision. Packed with vitamins A and E, taro supports eye health and can help prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. Imagine having superhero-like vision, all thanks to taro. Lastly, taro is a powerhouse for boosting your immune system. Its generous dose of vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, your body's first line of defense against disease. So it's not just a delicious root vegetable, it's a health booster in disguise. Clearly, incorporating taro into your diet can be a powerful move for your health. And there you have it, the wonderful benefits of taro. This humble root vegetable is not just tasty, but comes packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Its health benefits are equally impressive, from aiding digestion to boosting heart health. So the next time you're planning a meal, why not consider adding some taro? Don't forget to subscribe to the Altruist YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Stay healthy, stay informed.